Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of the month and my Boxycharm has arrived. So if you're not familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. For $21 US a month, you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. So the theme this month is Goal Digger, so like Gold Digger, but goals. And the first item in the box is the CoverFX glitter drops in the color Nova. So the value of this is $44. Beautiful CoverFX packaging. So this is more glittery than ones that I've used from them before. So it says it's for the face or the body. So let's do a little swatch on the hand. So it's a really beautiful gold color. I love the gold theme. So it's very sparkly. I don't know if you guys can, I'm trying to get the light to reflect. There we go. So you can see it's very glittery. I'm sorry, I'm getting a better camera after Christmas. So bear with me, the quality will improve. But if you can kind of see, it's quite glittery. Now, there we go. I personally would not use that on my face. I find that to be a little too glittery for the face unless you're like, maybe on like New Year's Eve if you're going to like a really fancy party, if you're gonna go all out glitter. But it's really beautiful. There's almost like a holographic sort of reflect in there, so it kind of picks up like other colors. So myself personally, I could see myself using this more on the body, like a little pop on the shoulders or something like that, particularly in the summer would be really beautiful. Okay, so the next thing in the box is always my favorite. There's always a palette. So this is by the brand Ace Beauty, which is not a brand I have ever heard of before. And this is their Grandiose palette. So this is valued at $24.99. Let's take a peek. Ooh, it's pretty. So there's the palette. So there's no mirror, which is okay. And it's that nice, I like that like magnetic sort of cardboard packaging. Personally, I really like that. I find these great for travel. They fit in really well. I don't like a big bulky palette, so I like the packaging. The colors are gorgeous. So these sort of warm tones with like the pinks and the cranberry colors are really on trend right now. So let's swatch them. All right, so we'll do the top row first. They feel nice. I just stuck my fingernail in one of them. Okay, so we've got the color Jasmine, we've got Clove, Myrtle, and Cinnamon. Wow, they're swatching really well. Okay, and then we'll do the bottom row. The mattes feel so buttery soft, like they feel really, really nice. Okay, and then we've got Patchouli, which is like sort of a flesh tone, so you can't really see it on my skin. And then we've got Rose, Poppy, wow, and Primrose. So, oops, those are the swatches. It swatched really well. The mattes went on really nice and smooth, like they didn't go on real patchy, so I think those are gonna be really beautiful. And look at that metallic. That's gorgeous. So, very excited about that. So the palette certainly adds to the value of the box for me personally. I would buy these separately. I would buy this separately. So already the box is worth it to me, just with those two items. And then we got some brushes. So this is a Luxie set. You guys know I love the Luxie brushes. They're some of my favorite brushes. So this is the Luminous Eye Set, and it's valued at $21. There's 4 brushes in here. If I can get all 4 to come out. Come on, baby. Here we go. So they have this beautiful gold sparkly handle. So we've got 4 brushes. So we have, they're nice because they're nice and small. A lot of the brushes that I get in like subscription boxes have been like a lot of bigger, fluffy, like bigger than this and fluffy. So it's nice to get something a little bit smaller. I love this little pencil brush. This one is a little odd to me. It's kind of uneven. It says mini flat angled, and to me it's just, I'll probably take some scissors to it. It's almost like it's a little uneven, but the rest of them are perfect. I will definitely use these. So I've been planning to do a brush declutter video, but I knew I was getting brushes in this Boxycharm, so I wanted to wait until I got these. So stay tuned for a brush declutter, that is coming. Very excited about these. So the value of these is $21. I would pay $21 for these in a heartbeat. They are gonna be great brushes. Love the Luxie brushes. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend them. You get a lot of Luxie brushes in the Boxycharm. I love that. Now the next thing is an eyeliner from Jonteblu. So we've gotten eyeliners from them in the past in Boxycharm, and I think also in Ipsy, which I'm not doing anymore. So this is the Glittering Star eyeliner. Ugh. I'm not a huge fan of the Jonteblu eyeliners. It's a glittery black. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. I find their pencils to be a little crumbly and a little waxy. This one doesn't actually seem as waxy. The last one I got was like a dark brown, and if you tried to put it over like a metallic eyeshadow, it wouldn't go on. Anyway, this one doesn't seem as waxy, but it's definitely a little bit on the crumbly side. So I'll have to play around with this. It's only valued at $5. Would I pay $5 for this? Probably not, but I will try it because it's in the box. And if it does work, I mean, it's a glitter eyeliner. That's fun, right? And the last thing is by Lashaholic Lashes, and this is the Instagram false eyelashes. Look at those beauties. So I love those. They're so pretty. They're really kind of like a little bit spiky but wispy at the same time. So I feel like this is a really wearable set, where some of the lashes that we've gotten in Boxycharm have been like so glam that most people aren't going to wear something like that. This is something I would definitely wear. So it does have the black band, which is generally not my preference. However, with a thicker band like that, usually you can get quite a few wears out of something like this. So these are valued at $14.99. I think those are worth $14.99. So that's everything that we got in the box. I think it was a great box this month. There were a few different variations, and I'm really glad that I got the variation that I did. I saw a couple other ones where I think instead of the lashes, you got the Bodyography brush cleaner, which I already have. And then I think another variation, instead of the eyeliner, you got a set of tweezers, which as an esthetician, I have a billion sets of tweezers. So I was really pleased that I got the items that I got. I think it was a great box. The overall value of all of the items that I got this month was $109.98. So I think it's a great box. I loved the theme for the month. I love all the sort of gold that goes together. You know, I just love that. I think they put a lot of thought into the theme every month, and I really appreciate that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments, did you get this box? Did you get the other one? Or did you get some other variation that I didn't see? And next month is gonna be Boxy Lux. I'm so excited. We started getting some spoilers in the email just this last like maybe couple of weeks, and I've seen a few spoilers on Instagram, so I'm really excited. I can't wait to get that one. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!